precious presence of our.
We all have assembled here to celebrate Annual Day 2015. On this day, we welcome all the parents to see the positive change and performance of their wards undergone during the training. A bright future. Success is never ending and failure is never final. In NTTF, we always succeed. Even during recession, the NTTF trainees did not face any problem in getting placement. Reputed industries have already started the brand name in the industrial map of the therefore, it is really an auspicious and happy occasion to celebrate Annual Day with play.
Light remove darkness. It is the source of power. Now we will have a traditional and auspicious light lighting ceremony as a tribute to the goddess of knowledge.
May I now request here Mr. Badrinath, General Manager, request Mr. Fani Kumar and Miss Monisha to kindly assist the guest to light the lamp.
शुभ्रवस्त्रान्विता या वीणा वरदण्डमण्डितकरा या श्वेतपद्मासना या ब्रह्माच्युतशङ्करप्रभृतिभिः देवैः सदा पूजिता सा मां पातु सरस्वती भगवती निःशेषजाज्ञापहा.
Thank you, President.
NTTF is branded as one of the best practical-oriented technical training institutions in this part of the world. We gather here today to witness the Annual Day 2015 celebration. On this solemn occasion, on behalf of management, principal, staff, trainees, and it's my pleasure to extend a warm welcome to gathering present here in this evening. It is indeed very heartily to rejoice the august presence of the many dignitaries on and off the dais. This evening, I have proud to privilege to introduce to you the chief guest, Mr. S. Ravi Shoban, Vice President Sales, HBL Power Systems Limited.
Gannavaram. He completed his engineering MSRIT Bangalore. He is a first cousin to Chairman HBL. He has working experience of 15 years in HBL Power Systems Limited. Before that, he is an entrepreneur. In Sri Lanka. Did formal education up to 10th standard in St. Anthony's College, Kandy, Sri Lanka. Madurai Kamaraj University in the year 1978. Subsequently, 1982. Worked as Finance and Administration in 2006.
On behalf of a very heartily welcome, sir. I have provided privilege to introduce systems limited.
Mr. M. Eddie in Six Sigma Black 21 years involved an exciting journey through strategic alliance management, global and Indian organization. During his journey, medical devices, automotive, industrial products and industrial machinery developing and managing high-end engineering products for global market. Building confidence among decision.
To happy Prakash Advokar, who is dedicated, hardworking. Please stand up and pick the roster. Mr. Narendra. Naveen Reddy, manager, assistant manager. Thank you all.
Good evening, all of you. Loudly. Now let me thanks to God to making this good opportunity in HNTC in HBL campus. Let me thank on the dais our chief guest and general manager of HBL. So all of them, I am giving a warm welcome. So let me brief about HNTC annual report. As a principal of HNTC, I am privileged to welcome August gathering and present the report on the activities of Hyderabad Technical Training Center for the academic year 2014 and 2015. The academic year started on 1st July 2014 this year, admitted 18 students in diploma course tool and die making and 34 students to our diploma in mechatronic course. All the newly admitted students experienced our unique induction program called Rope-in program for the period of 2 weeks before commencing our core training program. I think all of you remembering how to keep the silence and how to show the good behavior, all those things we already taught in the Rope-in program. The training activities in tool and die making progressed as per the schedule throughout the academic year. Overall, the center fared well and achieved 100% placement. Few top companies like Tata Advanced Systems Limited, Wellmade, Classic Design Engineering System, and HBL, our main association, HBL Power System Limited, PT Laminations, Vasanta Tools, Acme Toolings, Equic Modes, Mayura Caps, Vaishnavi Engineering, Armor Tools, Natco, ITW. These are the various companies. They came to this campus and they are shortlisted all energetic engineer, tool and die makers and mechatronics engineers. Indeed, this is continued. This baton was given by the previous principal, the same baton was taken by me, and the same success started this year also. I am happy to announce we are 90% completed in tool and die making placements. Namely L&T, KPIT, HBL, CTMI, SPACO. My dear trainees, just now I received the result of SPACO results. 8 boys of HNTC mechatronics got selected. Namely, Harshavardhan, Nikhil, Sajid Mishra, Pradeep, Srinikant, Rajkumar, Gopi, Amardeep. They are secured 75 out of the 100 marks. And in tool and die making, Sagar, Jobby John and Bimal Raj, they are shortlisted for this thing. This is the latest news. So HNTC is high among the 20 centers and 90% completed in a placement. Because I want to quote, NTTF is having a quality vision, train the youth in employable trade. Yes, the HNTC is in top in producing such a trainees and selling them to the build India and make in India. It is happening here. In addition to their academic pursuit, the trainees actively involved in co-curricular and extracurricular activities. All our training centers are participating vigorously modern shop floor activities like a quality control circles, red and green rack 5 years, discover learning and safety practices. All the visiting dignitaries have praised HNTC is the best center in the NTTF. So I will take this opportunity. This year, our quality circle team, Ward 2M, participated in the first Telangana state level CIA quality circle competition. So across the Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, so we are the winners and we have given a second rank in the CIA competition. So it is happy to announce we also qualified, we also participated in CIA competition in Chennai last week and we have got a very good appreciations also. So similarly, the village camp, one of the social responsibility. Again, I will take this opportunity to explain to one of forward guests what is social responsibility, how the trainee can understand what to make for the society. So they will get this experience when they are attending. Seeing is a believing. Definitely the NTTF is providing such opportunities in the name of village camp. So it is happened the last November, in the month of November, in the Kuthullapur, where Mr. Vishnu Reddy of Sarpanch was appreciated HNTC D2 and M2 trainees. Yes, they are the right social responsible trainees. So I will take this opportunity to congratulate Mr. Venkatesh for successful completion of this village camp. Similarly, HNTC is also exhibited the schools, the in and around of the schools of Kotturu, Timmapur and Shadnagar and even Shamshabad. 600 of the 600 trainees, various school children came here and they witnessed what is NTTF, how the tools are produced, what are the activities conducting in NTTF. So it is a very, I will take this opportunity to congratulate all my HNTC staff and trainees for conducting this such a program and giving the awareness to the local people. Next, blood donation camp also is one of the activity so that the trainees can understand the social responsibility. So the Red Cross CP01 experienced the first time, the first 9th rank in the foundation rank, So similarly in mechatronics, first time in the HNTC history we have secured 2nd rank. So in the first semester itself. Similarly, Sai Ram, so he has got the 14th rank. Lakshman Rao, he has got the tangibility. He is the icon of our HNTC. I am very happy. 3rd rank in foundation. Similarly, Maheshwar Rao, he is also 8th rank. And just so these are the gems of our HNTC who have conducted safety week under the guidance of P&A, where P&A department, Mr. Johnson sir,
Kindly address the gathering on this occasion.
Your principal has spoken enough, so there is nothing much that I can add to this, but to thank you all that knowingly we have picked this up, and I can tell you very proudly that I am proud of each one of you here, because we are very well known outside HPL, among the industries and among all the other big names that you have just spelled out. We are known for our support to NTTF. So it is because of NTTF we are here. Not because HPL is here, NTTF is here. So let's all give a nice round of applause to NTTF. And we will continue to support and we will continue to grow under you. Okay? This is it is not a commitment, it is our duty to make sure this happens. So, all Stephen is here and your principal is here, everybody is here. So, I mean, like, they will take it forward and we are always there to support you. And I am not very good at this talking here, please.
Mr. Ravi Choban, the field guest for the day, Mr. Badrinath, parents, well-wishers and students. At the outset, I would like to thank the principal for inviting me to be part of this annual day and sharing my views and spending some time with you. On the first instance, I would like to thank the HPL management for the excellent infrastructure support and the management support they have extended to us all along the last 5 years in making this institute a very successful role model to NTTF. And I request all the trainees to stand up and